Happy morning! 5 sense organs in 4 languages. Number 1. In English, eye. In Kannada, Kannu. In Hindi, Ank. In Telugu, Kannu. Number 2. In English, ear. In Kannada, Kivi. In Hindi, Kaan. In Telugu, Chevi. Number 3. In English, nose. In Kannada, Moogu. In Hindi, Naak. In Telugu, Mukku. Number 4. In English, tongue. In Kannada, Nalige. In Hindi, Jeeb. In Telugu, Naluka. Number 5. In English, skin. In Kannada, Charma. In Hindi, Twacha. In Telugu, Charmam. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Comment in comment box.